Hey guys, it's Renee from Revv. We're here at Tots at their cooking studio for the Aussie Beef and Lamb Workshop. Okay, it's going to be an exciting time where we get to learn some new dishes, especially with Chinese New Year around the corner. Dishes that we're going to be doing is the braised Hong Shao lamb with roasted chestnut and mushroom. Okay, and also the classic beef bourguignon with mushroom. Okay, all that exciting stuff coming your way in just a bit right here on Revv Evolution. Right guys, so after watching Chef Edward and Chef Alvin show us how to make pies, it's now our turn to get behind this desk, we call it,
Yep.
and do those pies. Are you ready, Ashwin?
Awesome.
Okay,
It's going to be really good.
Let's go for it. Right folks, so after making those fabulous pies that you can see right here, I'm with Chef Edward and Chef Alvin. And I've got a couple of questions for them, especially now this being Chinese New Year, which is going to be just around the corner. My first question is for Chef Alvin. So Chef Alvin, which cut of the beef is good for Asian style pies?
I think rump is the best. As I mentioned, the rump are lean, very tasty, and it's usually good for making stew.
Making stew. Okay, and see, I don't want to go with the rump. What else? What other suggestions that you might have? Your second choice, probably.
We can go with brisket. Brisket is good for Asian cooking, like rendang, for braised beef. Brisket is fabulous.
All right. Okay. Cool. Thank you so much for that one, Chef Edward. And sorry, Chef Edward. And now for Chef Edward. Okay, this one once again Chinese New Year. So this question is really related for something I hope you can answer for our viewers. Since Chinese New Year is almost upon us, what would be your ultimate beef dish for the Chinese New Year season?
Chinese New Year season, well, I still love my beef being braised. Of course, beef bourguignon is one of the best choices. I'll always braise my beef. That's something that is the heartfelt effort having to cook some beef up.
Right. Okay, so in terms of, I know you mentioned beef, but what, say example, if I have lamb, I'm a lamb lover, what would your recommendations be?
Lamb, definitely you can also braise if you're liking it as well. Definitely braising will give a better flavor out from the lamb as well. If some people are not very fascinating, not really liking of the lamb flavor, braising it actually kills off that flavor and gives it a very clean taste as well.
Yeah, I know, because a lot of people never, I mean, their reason for not really wanting to eat lamb is because of the smell that comes with lamb and everything else. Okay.
But of course, Australian lamb is definitely clean tasting.
Cool. Okay, there you go, folks. A little bit of tips from Chef Edward and Chef Alvin right now for beef and lamb. Okay, so once again, on behalf of everybody right here, I want to wish you a happy Chinese New Year.